CTRL+C, copy. CTRL+X, cut. CTRL+V, paste. CTRL+Z, undo. Delete. Shift+Delete, delete the selected item permanently without placing the item in the recycle bin. Control while dragging an item, copy the selected item. CTRL+Shift while dragging an item, create a shortcut to the selected item. F2 key, rename the selected item. CTRL+RIGHT ARROW, move the insertion point to the beginning of the next word. CTRL+LEFT ARROW, move the insertion point to the beginning of the previous word. CTRL+DOWN ARROw, move the insertion point to the beginning of the next paragraph. CTRL+UP ARROW, move the insertion point to the beginning of the previous paragraph. CTRL+Shift with any of the arrow keys, highlight a block of text, Shift with any of the arrow keys, select more than one item in a window or on the desktop, or select text in a document. CTRL+A, select all. F3 key, search for a file or a folder. ALT+ENTER, view the properties for the selected item. ALT+F4, close the active item or quit the active program. ALT+ENTER, display the properties of the selected object. ALT+SPACEBAR, open the shortcut menu for the active window. CTRL+F4, close the active document and programs that enable you to have multiple documents open simultaneously. ALT+Tab, switch between the open items. ALT+ESC, cycle through items in the order that they had been opened. F6 key, cycle through the screen elements in a window or on the desktop. F4 key, display the address bar list in my computer or Windows Explorer. Shift+F10, display the shortcut menu for the selected item. ALT+SPACEBAR, display the system menu for the active window. CTRL+ESC, display the start menu. Alt+underlined letter in a menu name, display the corresponding menu, underlined letter in a command name on an open menu, perform the corresponding command. F10 key, activate the menu bar in the active program. Right arrow, open the next menu to the right or open a submenu. Left arrow, open the next menu to the left or close a submenu. F5 key, update the active window. Backspace, view the folder one level up in my computer or Windows Explorer. ESC, cancel the current task. Shift when you insert a CD-ROM into the CD-ROM drive, prevent the CD-ROM from automatically playing.